Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to use GROPG to debug your application right on your phone. The first step you have to do is you go to the Play Store and then go ahead and download the GROPG graphical debugger. And then when you download your GROPG graphical debugger, go ahead and get two things have been done. The first thing is your shortcodes of your application and also your debuggable application to be on your phone. And let's get to the example I have in here to show you how to debug MyTracks applications using GROPG. MyTracks is a very popular application written by Google and have more than 1 million downloads. Now you go ahead and open MyTracks. In this case, I want to debug when I tap in on the track item, how all the information display on the map. And just go back in here. Now after I start MyTracks, I go back and start GROPG. When I touch GROPG, they will show me in here, you see they have a text box in here called select the shortcode. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you will see the tree structure in here, and just go ahead and find where your shortcode of your application, in this case the MyTracks application. Go open MyTracks, select sources. And here we go, I got the shortcode on MyTracks, we set right there, and then on the first combo box I just make sure that I select the MyTracks the application I want to debug. And then when I hit the debug button, first GROPG will run some security checks before they go ahead and monitor the MyTracks application. Run some IDP connectors. Okay, here we go. Now the GROPG already monitored the MyTracks application. Next step I have to do, I just scroll down to notification center and select GROPG debug panel. Now GROPG debug panel show up. You can see in here they have all the control button. The next step I have to do is just go ahead and tap into the open icon. Now I can just go ahead and find where is the shortcode of the MyTracks application on the Java file. I want to set a breakpoint. And now I want to set a breakpoint in the fragment folder on the MyTracks fragment Java. So now they loaded the 600 line of code of the MyTracks Java fragment. I just go ahead and go all the way to the bottom. And I know that I want to set a breakpoint on the show track methods under the live 580, and just go ahead and select on the 580. Here we go, I already selected the 580 and go and select the button right here on the top. Now my breakpoint have been set, and then the line number is turned red, and I'm done with the setting the breakpoint. And now I go back to the MyTracks application. The next step I have to do is I just go ahead, and I know that when I tap in on the check item in here, the breakpoint will be hit, and when I can monitor the MyTracks application program execution, I just tap on it. And here we go, they say breakpoint hit, and they're going to show the debug panel in a few seconds. Here we go, the debug panel is show up, and they show me where is the current shortcode location. I can go ahead and view all the current variable of the current shortcode location or the heap value. And I also go ahead and see all the current threads and all the stack of that thread. And if I go to the next instruction, you see in here they have another thread show up after I go to the next instruction. And I can also do the thing in here. I can also tap onto one of the item value, and they will go ahead and expand and show for me all the detail of this particular object, and you go ahead and click it one more time and hide it. I can also do the one thing in here. I want to change the value of for example, the bottom value right here. You go ahead and say, okay, let me change to the 670, and then I just hit the submit button right here. So if I change all the information immediately, this value will be changed on the heap memory value. And then I can either go to the next instruction, or I just press this button and go to the next executions. and here we go. You see the map, the below map is show up. So this the whole thing. They go with it GROPG that will help you to monitor and debug your applications right on your phone. GROPG not only run on the Samsung Galaxy S3, the one I show for you right here, but GROPG can also run on the many different other devices. Let's say, for example, in here either LG Nexus 4, and this defaultly not rooted, and it still can run GROPG. And you can see in here the GROPG, you can be able to navigate it, move the panel back and forward. You can also go ahead and change the slider in here. So if you go ahead and change the slider, they will go ahead and control the transparency too. So the next device will show you in here is the Nexus 7. GROPG is also run perfectly fine on the Nexus 7 tablet. You see all the information in here. It's the same thing in here. You can go ahead and hiding the information or show the information in here. Here we go. And GROPG can also run on the own phone. For example, this is the LG own phone run on the Android 2.3, and GROPG still run perfectly okay on the own version of the Android phone. Thank you.